Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, or if you're new here, welcome back to my channel. And if you guys are wondering when the giveaway will end, as I said, I will end it at 1,000 or 1,500 subs, but I think I'm changing the date to 700 subscribers or 650. So maybe like 630 to 700, I'm not sure. But definitely the max will be 1,000 subscribers. Anyways, today's video, I'm going to be talking about tips and tricks how to grow your inventory. I know I've done a poll on this video. It did not get the highest views, but votes. But I thought it would be the perfect video for today because I'm playing Royale High right now. So, without further ado, let's get started. So, first off, we're gonna talk about what I believe is good and what you will need to do these steps. Now, number one, I think you guys should join giveaways or even my giveaways. Now, giveaways can help you grow your inventory. I recommend you join a smaller YouTuber's giveaway or a smaller item giveaway, which gives you a higher chance of winning, or a giveaway that has multiplayer winners. Now, like when I give this Spring Halo 2020 eventually, it's only one Halo, and basically it's a very small chance, but that's because the Spring Halo 2020 is a Halo, so that's why I am only doing one winner, but I am doing future giveaways in the future. Next up, another thing I really recommend you guys is to farm diamonds, and to do that, so I really recommend this. Now, never buy diamonds in the shop. I accidentally clicked one time to buy, I think, 5,000 diamonds. Yeah, I accidentally bought that. So never click on Gemma. I'm so sorry, Gemma. But yeah, I really now recommend the game passes. Now, I own every single game pass except the quadruple diamond because it's a bit pricey, which I don't really like. But I do have the times two. The fast flight. I'm so sorry. Right now. The faster flying game pass is the game pass I most recommend out of all of them. I mean, glowing hair, designer pass, they're all so good. Like, if you only have 50 Robux, spend it on this. If you have all the Robux, spend it on all of them. And if you only have like a budget to only purchase maybe up to the crystal ball pass or the double diamonds, definitely go for the flying game pass, the faster flying, because it goes so fast and it's literally the best thing ever. Now, my routine is to go to the fountain, or either go to the diamond beach right now and find diamonds. Now, this is another tip or trick, I guess. I think it's more of a trick. You see that diamond there? You can collect it. I suggest if you have like a friends, like you should go in their private servers, because usually my friends have private servers, but it's okay if you don't have one. I feel like they load faster if they're in a public server. That's why I'm in a public server right now. So for example here, and that's 4 for me. Now, another thing is, a tip is to set a goal. Now, I know this sounds confusing, but like setting a goal really does help, like a lot. Now, if you don't know what I mean by when you go to the shop or something. Let's say you should go for a skirt or something. Let's say the Dear Dolly skirt. I really want this skirt, and it's 25,000 diamonds. First off, you probably will need to go trading, and that brings us to our next topic, is try to grind levels, and that's in Classic Royale High. I would do it in Enchantix or Classic Royale High, and for farming, I would do in New Campus Royale High. So yeah, if you guys want a separate video on my farming routine, I can show you guys that. But by setting a goal, it really helps you to stay on the item. And if you have trading, you can obviously get it for maybe a cheaper price. Now, the Dear Dolly skirt is not in that much demand because it's always on sale. And if you see here, this is what it looks like. It's super cute. but a lot of people do have it, unlike me, but a lot of people do have it. So you can see a lot of people if you have trading, or if you don't, you can expect to see people, a lot of people who have this skirt, and they're usually selling it at least half price, or people who sell it for more. I wouldn't say they're making you overpay. I'm saying that they're in a need of diamonds. That's why they're doing it. But yeah, so I really recommend trading for it instead. But now let's just say if it's a skirt that's off sale, for example, the Shadow Empress skirt. This skirt is off sale. Now people might want to pay more, but since people also have it, some might just accept items as well. And I recommend you just to grind diamonds. People would at max pay you like 40k, which is way overpaying in my opinion, but that's like at max. I seen people pay that, but like at max. Now another trading tip, I'm so sorry. Another trading tip is to sell items of your own. Let's just say for events, you can collect items if you don't really want to buy items or anything like that. But if you don't want to do that, or you can't get good trades from that, you can do a paperclip challenge, or you can sell it for cheaper amount of diamonds and buy another item and get higher value, which is not really underpaying. You're really just finding a good deal, which how like people get halos by profit trading like me. And it doesn't have to be a big profit. It can be a small profit, but I do really think if someone's overpaying, you should tell them. But honestly, it's okay if not, because they have to be sure of it. If they're like keep on asking you, "Is this fair? Is this fair?" Literally, just tell them. It's like, "I think you're over a bit," or you can say, "I think you're over a bit, but if you're fine to do this, I'm willing to do this," or something like that. But by aiming something, you just have your focus on it. So that's generally my main point of that. Now, next up, I do also recommend you guys to do your logins. Now, I don't really like to go to the fountain because I always lose diamonds, but if you have a pretty good luck, or you can pull up one of those YouTube videos that teach you what are the answers. Usually, those are the videos that screw me up and I lose diamonds. That's okay. So I really encourage you guys to play Royale High every single day for like, let's just say you have a limit, 30 minutes, one time a week. Now, instead of this, okay, so I have a streak of 23. I had a streak of 80, missed a day, now we're back on this. But instead of having only one day playing 30 minutes, I just really recommend you guys to split it up. Like, better, this is better than doing farming routines, in my opinion. If you don't have any game passes or don't have any like multipliers, I really recommend you guys to do this. Split your time up to one day a week. So some 7, so 30 divided by 7 would be around 35 5 minutes a day. Maybe one day it's a little less, but I usually can finish my logins in 2 minutes. And you really just have to finish your logins real quick, and that's what I really recommend. So you can get a streak by doing this, and that's really helpful. Now, if you have a short amount of time, let's just say 10 minutes per week, I would say to do 1 minute or maybe 2 minutes per day, because that's roughly around 10 or 1 minute per day. Now, also sleeping also gives you leveling you up. Right now, I am halfway, and if you're sleeping and you're bored, you can just like look at the shop and aim for a goal. That's what I usually like to do. So I recommend you guys to try to, if you guys want like on those items that are on sale, go to Trading Hub definitely, or grind to go to grind up by doing levels and farming to go to trading, or just look for an item that's going to be on sale soon, or you can just save up for it. So right now it's almost done, and I got a level up 600. So this is why I really recommend it. Now, I can see this video is getting quite long, so I would just say finish your lucky spin wheel, and yeah. This video is sort of just what I like to do. Profit trading is how I got so much halos, and never, if you're trying to get a halo, don't get it for its value. Like, I mean, sure, get it for its value, but like if you're planning not to do profit trading, keep the halo, girl. Like, trade something that you don't really want maybe for it, or get the halo that you don't really like and you get profit trades from it. So it's really hard to find these people. I underpaid, or the person overpaid by a lot, but they really wanted the halo. I was like, are you sure you want to do this? And they're like, they really wanted the halos I was giving, which was the low tier halos, 3 for glimmering and 𝙊𝙤. But yeah, that's really it for the video. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you next time. Bye!